there are no answers to look at from yesterday because you were making up your own problems. So today's main focus is a recap and checkup of how we've been getting on. So first of all, I'm just going to do a quick recap on our methods of addition and subtraction for you. And then today you have a task set on Microsoft Teams. So on your Teams, go into your assignment and you've got a little quiz to do to show us how you're getting on. Okay, let's have a recap then of addition. So let's do 3 digits. So 157 adds 286. So there's a copy of this on this week's document with all your work on, but I'm just going to show you how you might draw it. So 100, 5 tens and 7 ones added to 2 hundreds, 8 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so I'm going to do the abstract alongside it, and I suggest you try to do that if you can as well. Ones first. 7 ones add 6 ones, all together makes 13 ones. So 10 of those I can change into a 10 by regrouping. So it leaves 3 behind and 1 10. So I had 13, that's 1 10 and 3 ones. Now I've got to add together my tens. I've got 5 tens and 8 tens and 1 10. So I'm just going to take 10 of those tens and exchange those for 100. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left and 100. There's 5 tens, add 8 tens, add 1 10 is 14 tens, which is 104 tens. And then I've got 100, add 2 hundreds, add 100, which makes 400, giving me the answer 443. So that's just an example, a reminder for you how you might use pictures to support your calculation. We'll do a subtraction one as well. So 412, take away 265. So this time, because we're taking them away, we're not going to draw both numbers. We're just going to draw the top number we're taking away from. So I've got 4 hundreds, 1 10 and 2 ones. And then when we take away, we're going to start with the ones. So we start by taking away 5 ones. I haven't got 5 ones here. So what I need to do, this 10, this is 1 10, I'm going to split it into 10 ones. Okay, so it's no longer in the tens. So there's no tens left, but it is added to those 2 tens there. So there's now 12 ones there. So there's now 12 ones. Okay, now I've got 12 ones. I can easily take away 5. It leaves me with 7. I have no tens here, but I have to take away 6 tens. I can't do that. So I'm going to regroup one of these hundreds into 10 tens. That's 100 is the same as 10 tens. So what I've done is I've taken one of those hundreds, left 3 behind, and I had 0 tens, but now I've got 10. Then I can easily take away my 6, leaving me with 4. And then for my hundreds, I've got 3 hundreds, and I take away 2 of them, leaving me with 1. Okay, so now we've recapped then. I'm going to remind you again, it's written here for you. What you need to do today is go to your Mrs. Forney's maths group team and complete today's maths assignment and then hand it in. When you've finished, if you've still got time left, because there wasn't a lot to do at the beginning of this lesson, go to Top Marks and use the games there to practice your math skills. And you could log on to Times Tables Rockstars to get some points for your year team. I'll come back tomorrow for Friday.